These are not ordinary college students. They're extraordinary students. Capital Tech students. People who'd rather stay up all night coding instead of partying. People who build their own computers. Who construct clean rooms out of sheets and duct tape. Who fly drones with their brain waves. Who build experimental CubeSats to explore suborbital space. Who thwart cybercriminals at the speed of light. Who find big insights hiding in big data. Who have the tech savvy that our nation's critical infrastructure demands. Whose mantra in the face of any challenges, find a way or make one. You don't find Capital Tech students struggling to find gainful employment. You find them at NASA, the Department of Defense, and the National Security Agency. Our undergrad, grad, and doctoral students are a pipeline who fuel America's most tech-driven government agencies and private sector supply chains. It's here that they learn to work the levers of advanced technologies, to not only further their lives and livelihoods, but to ensure the future of America's prosperity. Capital Technology University, the talent to shape tomorrow.
Leidos. 1 part inspiration, 1 part science, 1 part legacy, and 1 part opportunity. We live in a complex, uncertain world, a world that demands breakthroughs today, like safe and reliable transportation, a robust infrastructure, better health solutions, a safer cyberspace, and an efficient military. Leidos, ready to support your next breakthrough.
Somewhere past the edge of convention.
Beyond the boundaries of tomorrow
lies a special kind of impossible.
A kind of impossible.
Where pioneers forge ahead.
Where no idea is too bold.
And no challenge too great.
Because making a 200-ton airplane disappear is impossible.
Until it's not. Predicting cyber attacks before they happen is impossible.
Until it's not.
And solving the mysteries of the universe is impossible.
Until it's not.
It's our job to break free from what is
to what could be.
Ready to leave the boundaries of what's known?
To define possible.
To define possible. To define possible.
To define possible.
to define possible.
To define possible.
One of the reasons why Qualcomm has invested in FIRST for so long is because we know FIRST works.
That worked.
Perfect. We see these students coming through the program not just learning about engineering, but also those 21st century skills that are so important.
FIRST is probably like the biggest reason why I'm confident at all now. 4 years ago, I was the shyest, quietest child on like the face of the planet, and FIRST definitely changed that.
Part of this Rube Goldberg machine is sort of fostering the relationship between Qualcomm and FIRST.
Working at FIRST teaches you various skills that you can directly transfer to the workplace. It teaches you to work with people with different personalities. It teaches you to respect ideas that you don't necessarily agree with. Most of all, it teaches you to meet aggressive deadlines that you will necessarily face at the workplace.
Qualcomm invents breakthrough technologies for wireless, and so this machine and programs like our partnership with FIRST are really, our way of inspiring kids that STEM can be fun and working with the team can be fun.
Science, technology, engineering, mathematics are foundation of what industry is on right now. We are a technical leader in the world.
We know that there's a shortage of students with STEM skills, not just in the US, but globally. And that's why Qualcomm's so invested in making sure that these students have the skills necessary to compete in a global economy of the future.
I do like taking on a problem because once you finish it, you feel really accomplished.
I feel like technology combined with teamwork and creativity can solve basically any problem that we face today and will be very crucial to the success of our future.
Here at Canton, Virginia, we take pride in the products we manufacture and the services we provide.
We are located in Newport News, Virginia, and are Cannon's only manufacturing, engineering, recycling, and technical support center in the Americas region.
CVI produces a variety of products using advanced manufacturing techniques,
while also serving as a factory service center providing expert customer service in the repair and refurbishment of Cannon products.
Canton, Virginia's manufacturing services also extends to injection mold making, medical contract manufacturing services.
However, none of this would be possible without our team of dedicated members.
During Manufacturing Day, we want to recognize the hard work and commitment of our workforce. Thank you.
Hey, good evening, First Chesapeake, and welcome to the First Chesapeake Laurel II and Glen Allen Qualifiers Awards for the 2021-2022 season. I'm James, and joining me this evening is Ethan. Say hi, Ethan.
Hey, everybody.
Now, while the pandemic's made it a little bit challenging for us to meet and compete, we're able to make it happen, and we've got 350 or so teams from across the Chesapeake district. We're going to celebrate all of them. Very, very exciting. Our virtual awards celebration tonight will have awards intermixed from both of the cohorts that competed in the past weekend. So there's 4 cohorts. That means a lot of awards we're going to give out tonight. Now, it could not be possible without all of our volunteers, both at the events this past weekend and also behind the scenes today. So join me in thanking all the volunteers who've given their time, effort, dedication, and so much more to make this program a fantastic success. And now our awards. Take it away, Ethan.
So the first award that I have the honor of presenting tonight is the Judges Award. The Judges Award is given at the discretion of the judges to a team that have encountered unique efforts, performance, or dynamics, and they merit recognition, yet the team does not fit into an existing award category. Here's what the judges had to say about this team. This is a rookie team that embraced the ethos of first gracious professionalism. These cats may be big, but they are humble and want to learn from their mistakes. So it is but natural that this award goes to the team that embodies gracious professionalism. Congratulations to Team 20019 FCMS Pantherbots from Richmond.
Well done. And for Glen Allen Cohort 2, here's what the judges have to say. With the energy of the heart of a dragon, this team did not let it go to their heads. They exhibited gracious professionalism on the field, helping others, and had the integrity to grow both in strength and compassion. Judges recognized this team for this humble show of strength. Our winner is Team 12838 Lancaster Kinetic Storm from Lancaster, Virginia. And now we turn to the Design Award. The Design Award expands on this year's challenge, inspiring teams to incorporate industrial design into their robots. These elements can be shown in the simplicity of the design as it applies to the tasks, the look and feel of the robot, and how the design allows us to think of robots in new ways. The design aspect must serve a function, however, but it should also differentiate the robot in a unique fashion. For Laurel 2 Cohort 1, in third place, Team 6341 00 Ducks from Oakton, Virginia. In second place, 7393 Electron Volts from Silver Spring, Maryland. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. The members are essentially rookies at heart, trying to learn the art of design with good stage presence. This team employed a process to track the attendance as a proxy to engagement. The team employed a cage mechanism for their intake, thus ensuring the grip of a gator's jaws. And the winner is Team 10719 Termigators from Fulton, Maryland. And for Glen Allen Cohort 1, in third place, Team 7953 Vertigo from Charlottesville, Virginia. In second place, Team 2342 Bacon from Charlottesville, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner for Glen Allen Cohort 1. This team used an iterative and collaborative design process to build their robot. After realizing a major flaw in the design, this team redesigned and rebuilt the robot, merging the input and output systems into one system. You could say that their final design was on fire, allowing them to finish the competition with flying colors. The winner is Team 9064 Firefly from Charlottesville, Virginia.
For the Design Award in Laurel 2 Cohort 2, third place goes to 18264, the Electronovas from Fairfax, Virginia. Second place goes to 19458, Equilibrium.exe from Potomac, Maryland. And here's what the judges have to say about the Laurel 2 Cohort 2 winner. This team built their robot based on their school's values with simplicity in mind. The arm mechanism was heavily geared for maximum efficiency. The consistency of their color sensor gave them a fighting chance to make it to the top. Please congratulate Team 4451, the Fighting Foxes from Washington, D.C. For Glen Allen, Cohort 2, third place Design Award goes to Team 11804, Stick Shift from Clifton, Virginia. The second place Design Award goes to 1774, Monroe Robotics from Standardsville, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about this Glen Allen Cohort 2 team. This team's approach to developing two robots in parallel made for an ever-evolving design. From their drive design to their loading system, they kept iterating and improving. This explosive energy and passion for continuous improvement really shined for the judges. Please congratulate Team 8535 Supernova from Reston, Virginia. And now on to another great award, the Motivate Award. The Motivate Award is given to a team that celebrates the culture of FIRST and clearly shows what it means to be a team. This award celebrates the team that represents the essence of FIRST Tech Challenge through team building, team spirit, and displayed enthusiasm. This is a team who makes a collective effort to make FIRST known throughout their school and community and sparks others to embrace the culture of FIRST. For Laurel 2 Cohort 1, the third place Motivate Award goes to 607 Dragon Wagon from Ellicott City, Maryland. Second place Motivate Award goes to 7519 QO Cougar Botics from Gaithersburg. Sorry about that. And here's what the judges have to say about this Laurel 2 Cohort 1 team. This team had a small reservoir of funds at the start of the season, but they made many calls and ate a lot of pizza. This team's digital persona is that great alligator. Give it up for 819 for the Digigators from Fulton, Maryland. The Motivate for Glen Allen Cohort 1, third place, goes to 7039 Lord of the Bricks from Mechanicsville, Virginia. Second place goes to 7080 Bacon from Charlottesville, Virginia. And the Motivate Award, first place for Glen Allen Cohort 1, here's what the judges had to say. This team reached out to fairs and beyond to motivate others. They lit up the passion for all girls in STEM. Reading their published magazine article may make your head spin. Please congratulate 7953 Vertigo from Charlottesville, Virginia.
And for the Motivate Award in Laurel 2 Cohort 2 in third place, 4451 Flying Foxes from Washington, D.C. In second place, 14607 Robot Uprising from Alexandria, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner for Laurel 2 Cohort 2 Motivate. These up-and-coming YouTube stars educated their community and mentored rookie teams. They worked the social media circuit, getting sponsors and new members. They invented 4-bar mechanism, ensuring never a break in service. The winner is 13353 Circuit Breakers from Aldie, Virginia. And for Glen Allen Cohort 2, in third place, 11804 Stick Shift from Clifton, Virginia. In second place, 8535 Supernova from Reston, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about the Motivate Award winner for Glen Allen Cohort 2. This team spread the joy by teaching coding to young students all around. They helped Girl Scouts attain their robotics badge. With loops and booleans and sprites, they lit up their community. And the winner is Team 9830 RoboLits from Clifton, Virginia. We now turn to the Control Awards, sponsored by ARM Incorporated. The Control Award celebrates the team that demonstrates innovative thinking in the control system to solve game challenges such as autonomous operation, enhancing mechanical systems with intelligent control, or using sensors to achieve better results on the field. For Laurel 2 Cohort 1, in third place, Team 17971 Helix Hackers from Gaithersburg, Maryland. In second place, 7393 Electron Volts from Silver Spring, Maryland. And here's what the judges have to say about the Control Award winner for Laurel 2 Cohort 1. Eager to learn and compete virtually in the FTC robotics competition, started to work on 2 autonomous strategies. Something special about quack sound in designing a robot. The winner is 6341 00 Ducks from Oakton, Virginia. And for the Control Award, Glen Allen Cohort 1 in third place, Team 16537 Logic Coyote from Lenexa, Virginia. Second place, 15304 Circuit Tree from Mechanicsville, Virginia. And here's what the judges had to say about the winner for Glen Allen Cohort 1. The control of this team's distance sensor helped position their robot just like construction equipment. Identifying the team element was easy with their code and phone sensor. They've mastered moving around the field to score bricks, but wouldn't lord it over others. The winner is Team 7039 Lord of the Bricks from Mechanicsville, Virginia.
And now the Control Award for Laurel 2 Cohort 2. Third place goes to 13353 The Circuit Breakers from Aldie, Virginia. The second place goes to Team 7 The Tactical Sheep. And here's what the judges had to say for the Control Award First place, Laurel 2 Cohort 2. This team's robot had a good set of controls that helped their team tackle navigation and freight delivery. Every part of their robot was first designed in CAD before fabrication, resulting in a compact and strong design. Please congratulate Team 18264, the Electronovas from Fairfax, Virginia. And now on to the Innovate Awards, sponsored by Raytheon Technologies. The Innovate Award, sponsored by Raytheon Technologies, celebrates a team that has the ingenuity and inventiveness to make their designs come to life. This award is given to the team that the judges feel has the most innovative and creative robot design solution to the First Tech Challenge game. Elements of this award can include elegant design, robustness, and out-of-the-box thinking. This award may address the design of the robot as a whole or some sub-assembly component of the robot. The creative component needs to work consistently, but a robot does not have to work all the time during matches to be considered for this award. This team's engineering portfolio showed the design of the components and the team's robot and clearly explains how the team arrived at their solution. For Laurel 2 Cohort 1, the Innovate Award goes to third place, 7518 QO Cougars. Second place Innovate Award goes to 6652 E Mushers from Oakton, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of the Innovate Award for Laurel 2 Cohort 1. This team elevated above the others. They lifted horizontally and vertically while opening their minds to the best solution. The robot charged ahead of the rest. Please congratulate Team 7393 Electron Bolts from Silver Spring, Maryland. For Glen Allen Cohort 1, third place Innovate Award goes to Team 7278, the Library Bots from Chesterfield, Virginia. Second place goes to 11209, the Code Crushing Griffins from Goochland, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of this award for Glen Allen Cohort 1. This team applied out-of-the-box thinking to build a 2-in-1 intake system that went through several iterations. The system, as they say, killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Their all-around club is a big, decentralized bunch of self-described nerds. Congratulations to Team 20342, Bacon 20342 from Charlottesville, Virginia.
And the Innovate Award for Laurel 2 Cohort 2. In third place, Team 14923 Aces from Clarksburg, Maryland. In second place, Team 15167 Robo Troopers from Herndon, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. This team uses a unique approach to traversing the barrier. Their design is extraterrestrial. They're well-rounded and balanced, and you can almost say they have researched equilibrium. The winner is Team 19458 Equilibrium.exe from Potomac, Maryland. And the Innovate Award for Glen Allen Cohort 2 in third place, Team 2337 Say What from Reston, Virginia. In second place, Team 16439 AlphaGo from Ashburn, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about the Innovate winner for Glen Allen Cohort 2. This team used out-of-the-box thinking to come up with a unique design for their robot. Their paddle intake design helped them compete all the way to the end. You could say that their design document rivaled the Monroe Doctrine for how to build a bot and served as a warning to all others who dared to compete. The winner is Team 17774 Monroe Robotics from Standardsville, Virginia. And now we turn to the Connect Award. The Connect Award is presented to the team that the judges feel most connected with their local science, technology, engineering, and math community. A true FIRST team is more than the sum of its parts and recognizes that engaging their local STEM community plays an essential part in their success. The recipient of this award is recognized for helping the community understand FIRST, the First Tech Challenge, and the team itself. In addition, this team aggressively seeks and recruits engineers and explores the opportunities available in the world of engineering, science, and technology. The Connect Award for Laurel 2 Cohort 1, in third place, Team 7265 Gear Grinders from Ellicott City, Maryland. In second place, Team 7519 QO Cougar Robotics from Gaithersburg, Maryland. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of the Connect Award for Laurel 2 Cohort 1. This team, despite a hiccup, was very excited to display their excitement for the team and the robot. This team wowed the judges with their prototype of their mental health app for teenagers. They're definitely champions for their community. The winner is Team 9073 Nitrix from Chantilly, Virginia. And for Glen Allen Cohort 1, in third place, Team 7953 Vertigo from Charlottesville, Virginia. In second place, Team 9064 Firefly from Charlottesville, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. These future engineers engaged in virtual tours and actively recruited mentors to guide them through Freight Frenzy. They not only learned from books, but also from their experienced members. To learn more, join this team for a day. The winner is Team 7278 Library Bots from Chesterfield, Virginia.
And now for Laurel 2 Cohort 2. The Connect Award third place goes to Team 14923 Aces from Clarksburg, Maryland. Second place Connect Award goes to Team 369 Oakton Cougar Robotics from Vienna, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about this Laurel 2 Cohort 2 team. This team loved taking their truck to see the tractors. They snacked on Krispy Kreme donuts on the way there, and with their turtle design robot, they rammed their way into everybody's hearts. Please congratulate Team 18381, the Ram Eaters from Fairfax, Virginia. For Glen Allen Cohort 2, the third place Connect Award goes to Team 12838 Lancaster Kinetic Storm. Second place goes to Team 9830 the Robo Litz. And here is what the judges had to say about this Glen Allen Cohort 2 team. This team reached out to outside experts to get more knowledge on finance and engineering tool safety. Their bot was the frosting on their connections. With their Frosty, they skated easily into this award. Congratulations to Team 18579, the Frostbots from Fredericksburg, Virginia. We now move on to the Think Award. The Think Award is given to a team that the judges feel best reflects the journey of the engineering design process. The engineering portfolio is the key references to judges to help them identify the most deserving team. This team's engineering portfolio focused on the design and build stage of their team's robot and exemplified their journey as a team and engineers. For Laurel 2 Cohort 1, the third place Think Award goes to Team 17080 Newt.exe from Rockville, Maryland. Second place goes to Team 7518 QO Cougears from Gaithersburg, Maryland. And here's what judges have to say about this Laurel 2 Cohort 1 team. This team is desperate in learning engineering and STEM. They think outside of the box and outreach events, looking for new mentors to overcome their gaps. The team is very structured and has great strategies, and they stick together like glue. Give it up for 6417, the Blue Crew from Rockville, Maryland. For Glen Allen Cohort 1, the third place Think Award goes to Team 20342 Bacon. The second place Think Award goes to Team 16537, the Logic Coyotes from Lenexa, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about this Glen Allen Cohort 1 team. This team's use of an odometry wheel helped their robot and its accurate positioning on the field. The engineering sketches had judges green with envy. The distance sensor helped with detecting their team game element and made their autonomous path look like a network with circuits and branches. Please congratulate Team 15304 Circuitry from Mechanicsville, Virginia.
And the Think Award for Laurel 2 Cohort 2. In second place, Team 13353 Circuit Breakers from Aldie, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. This team shows great enthusiasm for learning and accomplished a lot this season. The group utilizes its resources and works together to organize student-run sub-teams. The team had a clear structure for their robot design and software and outreach and connecting with the community. And the winner is Team 14604 Uprising from Alexandria, Virginia. And the Think Award for Glen Allen Cohort 2. In third place, Team 16809 Tech Tigers from Fairfax, Virginia. In second place, Team 16439 AlphaGo from Ashburn, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. Their engineering portfolio impressed judges with subsystem descriptions ×2. In addition to a custom team shipping element for themselves, they designed one for their alliance partner. What other teams had when other teams had only a single robot learned that this team created two, they asked, what? The winner is Team 20337, Say What? From Reston, Virginia. And now for our Finalist Alliance. We have several of these, of course. For Laurel 2 Cohort 1, the captain is Team 6417 Blue Crew from Rockville, Maryland. And the first pick is Team 9073 Nitrix from Chantilly, Virginia. For Laurel 2 Cohort 2, the captain is 7 Tactical Sheep from Aberdeen Proving Ground, Maryland. And the first pick was Team 15167 Robo Troopers from Herndon, Virginia. For Glen Allen Cohort 1, the captain is Team 11209 Code Crushing Griffins from Goochland, Virginia. And the first pick is Team 2342 Bacon 2342 from Charlottesville, Virginia. And for Glen Allen Cohort 2, the captain is Team 12838 Lancaster Kinetic Storm from Lancaster, Virginia. And the first pick is Team 17774 Monroe Robotics from Staynerdsville, Virginia.
And of course, we had some fantastic winning alliances as well. The captain for Laurel 2 Cohort 1 was 6341 00 Ducks from Oakton, Virginia. Their first pick was 17971 the Helix Hackers from Gaithersburg, Maryland. For Laurel 2 Cohort 2, the captain was 4451 the Fighting Foxes from Washington, D.C. And they were joined by their first pick, 14923 Aces from Clarksburg, Maryland. For Glen Allen Cohort 1, the captain was 15304 Circuitry from Mechanicsville, Virginia. They were joined by their first pick, 16537 the Logic Coyotes from Lenexa, Virginia. And rounding out our winning alliances, the captain of 16439 AlphaGo from Ashburn, Virginia, joined by 9830 the Robolitz from Clifton, Virginia. Congratulations to all the winning and finalist alliances.
Well done, all. And now we turn to the Inspire Award. The Inspire Award is presented to the team that the judges felt truly embodied the challenge of the First Tech Challenge program. The team that receives this award is a strong ambassador for FIRST programs and works to promote FIRST and make it loud in their community. The team that receives this award has performed well in all judging categories and was chosen by the judges as a model First Tech Challenge team, both on and off the playing field. This team shares their experiences, enthusiasm, and knowledge with other teams, sponsors, their community, and the judges. Working as a unit, this team will have shown success in performing the task of designing and building a robot. Our Inspire Award winner for Laurel 2 Cohort number 1 in third place, Team 7393 Electron Volts from Silver Spring, Maryland. In second place, Team 17080 Newt Newt.exe from Rockville, Maryland. Here's what the judges have to say about the winner from Laurel 2 Cohort 1. With this team's passion and enthusiasm, they are excellent ambassadors for FIRST programs. They inspire a love of learning and physics. You could say that it's in their DNA. There was no need for them to hack the scoreboard. The winner is Team 17971 Helix Hackers from Gaithersburg, Maryland. Oh, yeah. And our Inspire winner for Glen Allen Cohort 1. In third place, Team 15304 Circuit Tree from Mechanicsville, Virginia. In second place, Team 7278 Library Bots from Chesterfield, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner from Glen Allen Cohort number 1. This team leveraged their CAD skills to both design a winning robot and also inspire other teams. Overcoming virtual challenges by creating an online CAD-a-thon event, they brought together many teams in engaging competition and fun learning. So it's quite logical who the judges chose for this award. The winner is Team 16537 Logic Coyote from Lenexa, Virginia. Well done.
And now for Laurel 2 Cohort 2. The third place Inspire Award goes to Team 18264, the Electronovas from Fairfax, Virginia. The second place Inspire Award goes to Team 19458, Equilibrium.exe from Potomac, Maryland. And here is what the judges have to say about the winner of the Inspire Award for Laurel 2 Cohort 2. This team has built on impressive robot making. They use a broad set of controls to smoothly navigate. They also took advantage of the summer to mentor and train young kids to spread STEM, and they brought good mentors to guide them. Congratulations to Team 7, the Tactical Sheep from Maryland.
Aberdeen Proving Ground.
Thank you so much.
You got it.
And finally, for Glen Allen Cohort 2, the third place Inspire Award winner is Team 11804 Stick Shift from Clifton, Virginia. Second place Inspire Award goes to Team 20337 Say What from Reston, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of the Glen Allen Cohort 2 Inspire winner. This team truly embodies FIRST and stood out in all judging areas. They achieved their goal of reaching out to their community, their schools, and their local businesses. This team's innovative suspension system allowed them to go over the barriers with ease. Congratulations, Team 16439 AlphaGo from Ashburn, Virginia.
Well done, all. And with all of that, the points are tallied, and now we can see which teams will be advancing to the championships. From Laurel 2 in Cohort 1, 17971 Helix Hackers Inspire, 634100 Ducks, our winning captain, and 17080 Newt.exe, our winner first pick. And in Cohort 2, Team 7 Tactical Sheep Inspire, and then we have Team 4451 Fighting Foxes, our winning captain, and then right with them is Team 19458 Equilibrium.exe, our Inspire 2. Well done, Laurel 2. And Glen Allen advancing teams, Cohort number 1, 16537 Logic Coyote Inspire winner, 15304 Circuit Tree, our winning captain, and 7278 Library Bots Inspire 2. Well done there. And in Cohort 2, we have two teams. We've got 16439 AlphaGo Inspire winning and the winning captain. They're the same. And then double team 20337 Say What? Inspire 2 winner. Well done. Congratulations, of course, to all the teams for competing. We Really excited about the outcome this weekend. We've got more coming. Season is nowhere close to over. We're just getting started. Thank you all for being an incredible audience and helping to support our next generation of leaders and innovators, and for bringing your gracious professionalism to this competition. Now, remember, your participation with the First Tech Challenge does not have to end here. You can check out the website for opportunities to volunteer at any one of our upcoming First Tech Challenge events. Finally, a big thank you to everyone. We had an excellent event, and we look forward to seeing you next week, or, well, next year, I think, 2022, when we get rolling again. I'd like to thank all the sponsors that make this possible as well. And please watch a short video from our sponsors as we close out the awards. Thanks, everybody, and have a great night.